Chapter 8, Indian Economic Development, Human Capital Formation in India. In previous class we discussed about human capital formation, sources of human capital formation. Now role of human capital formation or importance of human capital formation. Number 4, innovative skills. Innovative skills or new skills, human capital formation facilitates innovations. The undercurrent of growth and development. Larger the number of skilled and trained person, greater the possibilities of innovation. जितने ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे लोग होंगे, जितने ज़्यादा skilled और trained person होंगे, उतने ज़्यादा हमारी कंट्री में न्यू inventions होंगे, innovation होंगे. तो larger the number of skilled and trained people, greater the possibilities of innovations. Innovation is the lifeline in growth, we all know. So larger the number of skilled and trained person, greater the possibilities of innovation in the area of production and related activity. And innovation is the lifeline of growth, we all know. Clear? The second, increased life expectancy. Formation of human capital increases life expectancy of the people. Health facilities and availability of nutritive food enable people to live a healthy and long life. इससे आपके अगर ह्यूमन कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन होगा, लोग पढ़े लिखे होंगे, ट्रेंड होंगे, एजुकेशन पे खर्च होगा तो उनकी हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज अच्छी होगी, उन्हें अच्छा फूड मिलेगा. जब फूड अच्छा मिलेगा, हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल रहेंगी तो पीपल क्या होगा, लंबे समय तक जिएगा. सो इट इंक्रीजेस लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी ऑफ people, or we can say it increases the standard of living of people. So formation of human capital increases life expectancy of people due to better health facility, or nutritive food. Clear? So human capital formation increases life expectancy of the people. Health facilities and availability of nutritive food or nutritious food enable people to live a healthy and long life. This in turn adds to the quality of life. Clear? Number 3, higher productivity and production. Number 3, higher productivity and production. Human capital formation increases the productivity and production. And knowledgeable and skilled worker makes better use of resources. Productivity ज़्यादा होगी, production ज़्यादा होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि workers कैसे होंगे? Skilled and knowledgeable. And due to knowledgeable and skilled worker, productivity increases. Or we can say worker makes better use of the resources. If the workers are skilled and knowledgeable, worker makes better use of resources. Clear? Increase in productivity and production depend on technical skill of the people, which can be acquired only by means of education, training, and maintaining the health of the people. और प्रोडक्टिविटी वगैरह इंक्रीज की जा रही है तो इससे ये तभी हो सकती है जब आपके पास टेक्निकल स्किल हो, और टेक्निकल स्किल तभी पॉसिबल होगी जब एजुकेशन हो, ट्रेनिंग हो और अपनी हेल्थ मेंटेन हो. क्लियर? Control of population growth. It has been observed that educated person have a smaller family as compared to illiterate family. Educated family. Sources of human capital, education. Educated family have smaller Educated family have smaller family as compared to illiterate family. तो पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल करने के लिए भी ह्यूमन कैपिटल या ह्यूमन का पढ़ा लिखा होना जरूरी है. तो सोर्सेस इंपॉर्टेंस क्या, अगर इंसान पढ़ा लिखा होगा तो उसकी फैमिली एज कम्पेयर टू इलिटरेट लोग या अनपढ़ लोगों के मुकाबले छोटी होगी. क्लियर? थैंक यू.